So we're doing an array that shows 6 times 2. We just did 4 times 3. Six times, what does this show?
6
Times what?
2.
Up. Nope. 1, 2.
So.
There you go.
Okay. I get it now.
Yeah, that's okay. So 6 times 2 then equals what?
12.
Same as the other. So you see now, so when I do an array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, I still count this one again, 1, 2. Okay, so now let's do, let's do 7 times 3. Good. What does this show? Before you add that, what does this show? If I take this away, what is
2
that?
times 7.
Good. Now. That shows what?
7 times 3.
And how much is 7 times 3?
21.
Good. Show me 9 times 6. Okay. So, what are you showing?
9 and 6.
Okay. So we have, count those going that way. Just
With 9s or 6?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, wait just a minute. How many do you have going down?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You had 2 extra rows, which would be 11. So what's 11 times 6?
66.
66. Okay, so now we have 9. Okay. Now, 9 times 6.
54.
Very good. Did you know that to begin with?
Yes.
Then. Okay, what are you showing right there?
I'm showing 8 times 4.
That's, what is 8 times 4?
32.
Good. Okay, now do 8 times 8. Okay, good. Now what are you showing?
8 times 8.
Uh-huh. What is 8 times 8? What is, okay, so we've gotten our array. What is, without me having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and count every single one of these
Oh, I know what you could do.
counters, what can you do?
4 times 4 equals 16, and then another 4 times 4 equals, wait, yeah, I think. So 16 plus 16 is
Mm-hmm.
36.
Close.
No, that's 6 times 6.
16.
Oh, 42.
Huh?
Isn't it 42?
Not 42. 16 plus 16. What's 10 plus 10?
20.
And then what's 6 plus 6?
12.
Now add those together.
20 plus 12?
Uh-huh.
32.
32.
I said 32.
Oh, I thought you said 42. My bad. Thought you said 42. Okay, so you're right. Yeah, 32. So that's 4 times 4, right?
Hmm?
And then you did, so we're now at half of this.
Yeah.
So now what do you need to do with that number 32? To get 8.
Add 'em.
Okay, add it to what?
The other half.
Okay, so what's the answer?
8.
What are you doing in your head as you're sitting there?
Stacking them. Well, stacking 32 plus 32.
Can you do it out loud? What's an easier way to add 32 plus 32 instead of...
Oh, it's 64?
Yes, good. 7 in equal groups. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh, oops.
8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 9. How many markers are on the table?
Markers.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call these. Chips. Do you want to call them chips? Okay, how many chips are on the table then? 7 times 9. Right, there's 9 in each group, right? So, what can you do to quickly count how many there are here? You know there's 9 in each group, so what can you do now?
Add these, that'll be 18. 18 plus 18 is... Wait. Yeah. 8 plus 8 is 16. 36.
Perfect. Okay, so you've got 36, but that's, you did 18 plus 18, so that's this group and this group, right? Plus this group and this group.
Wait, no.
Now
I did this. Wait. There's 7, right?
there's 7 groups of 9, right? Let's go back. You were doubling, so let's go back. We have 9 plus, how many? 9 plus,
9.
plus,
9.
plus.
9.
Okay, so now let's start over. 9 plus
9.
equals
18.
plus 9
27.
plus 9 you already figured
32.
no, you figured it out a while ago. It's not 32, it's
36.
yes. Okay, now 36 plus
30. No, 36 plus 9. 45? No, that'd be...
no, I think you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 9.
54?
And plus
63?
yes. Good. A bar graph. And we're going to do 6 times 8. So I did this one. And this was 12 times 8. 6 times 8. So how many blocks are you going to need to put in your bar graph?
6.
6. Okay, so split that into 6 little sections. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Scratch that one out. Just put just a exit. There you go. Okay. Now, what do you put in the box?
8.
8 in each box. Good. Now, what can I do?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Mm-hmm.
And 16 plus 16 equals 32.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48. You missed one. 3, 6, 9.
12.
Yeah. Read the word problem.
Hello?
Yeah, read it out loud. Start there and then read number 1.
Judy and her family just moved into a new city, and today would be her first day on a new school.
Should be in.
What?
It should be in a new school. Okay, number 1.
She wanted to make sure that she is well rested, so she. Wait. I don't have my glasses, so it's.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, here, I'll read it out loud. She wanted to make sure that she is well rested, so she made sure that she had 8 hours of sleep. If an hour is composed of 60 minutes, how many minutes of sleep did she have?
So 6 times 8.
What, are you sure it's 6 times 8?
Yeah, I'm going to do 6 times 8 and then add a 0.
Very good. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. Okay. Now what do you do to solve the problem? What did you say you were going to do a while ago? You're going to do 6 times 8.
And then add the 0.
Okay, so what is 6 times 8?
32.
Are you sure? Look at it again. 6 plus 6 is...
I was counting them, sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. However you want to do it. Good.
So 480.
Good. Okay, so 480. All right, let's do one more. Let's do number 2. So write 480 there so I know we did that one. Okay. She also ate a hearty breakfast so that she would have enough energy. She bought 5 pieces of her favorite bread. If each piece of bread costs 30 cents, how much did Jenny spend for her breakfast? If you're doing it again, what did you just count out?
15.
There you go, 15. Now, but what do I have to do?
Add the 0.
Add the 0.
100. Wait. Yeah, 150.
Okay, but is it 150? Yeah, 150 cents, right? 150 cents. 150 cents.
So that's $1.50.
Yes. So, good.
And that's
And that-
$4.80.
Well, there she's,
Oh, yeah.
that's sleep. So she had 480 minutes of sleep. So that's right. But $1.50. Okay, good.